Hi, I'm Dennis Johnson, General Manager and Chief Technology Officer at On and On in Milpitas, California. I'm here with another Did You Know? On and On. Today we're here to talk about RoboSolder. RoboSolder is a semi-automated wire termination system, ideal for terminating wires as large as 28 gauge and as small as 50 gauge. RoboSolder by On and On is the world's fastest cable and connector soldering system. RoboSolder can be programmed to match every connector pin pattern in the world. RoboSolder is a revolutionary programmable solder and heat source, ensuring the correct location is soldered, making wire termination 100% error-proof. An average wire to pin termination is less than 2 seconds, without the need of flux, solder, or a bulky soldering iron, all to IPC Class 3 with little to no operator training. RoboSolder is ideal for fine gauge wires such as catheter applications where the use of a soldering iron is not practical. RoboSolder is the world's fastest cable and connector soldering system, breaking manufacturing barriers and opening doors for true innovation. So please visit us at onandon.com to learn more or to schedule an appointment with one of our engineers who are happy to integrate RoboSolder into your next application. Thank you for allowing me to share another Did You Know? On and On.